Everything you need to know about laundry on the original Disney cruise ships. We do a lot of laundry on Disney cruises, so I'll show you what the laundry room looks like. Here we go. On the original Disney cruise ships, there are laundry rooms throughout the ships, and they all have a different number of washers and dryers, and you just kind of have to explore to find them. To use the washer or the dryer, you're just going to take your magic band or your key card and tap it like this, and select that you're going to charge your card or, your key to use the laundry. So this is just showed you the washer, this is the dryer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit the charge button, and it's going to charge to our room $3.50. And it's checking to make sure that this is going to work. So now you just go ahead and select what settings you want for, this is for the dryer. And they have a multitude of settings. I will say the ones that are low temp do not dry your clothes, so be warned. The lower the temperature, your clothes are probably not going to get dry. But I would say the higher temperatures do get pretty hot. So I don't know if there's a right decision here, but there are so many options, and maybe just look into it before you get on the ship. We do a lot of laundry on the ship, and if the laundry is full, in every laundry room, at least on the Fantasy, there is a screen that gives you updates about what laundry rooms have available. Let me show you. So on this level, there's 2 washers available and 2 dryers. And then this is not accurate, so don't ever read that one. But along the bottom, you'll see other machines come up. So deck 9 forward is a laundry room, and they've got 5 washers and 3 dryers available. Doesn't mean that's how many they have total, that's just what they have available. Just something to note, just because it's available doesn't mean it works. So double check when you get to the laundry room, or I guess enter at your own risk. Like, I would make sure that there says at least 2 available, because one of them could be out of commission. And if they're out of commission, it won't say that they're in use because they're out of commission. So there you go. There's a little bit about the laundry on the ship. Also, if you need detergent, they have places where you can buy detergent. And to buy detergent is super simple. You're just going to tap your Key to the World card or your magic band, and you're going to select, charge me for this. And you're going to just select which detergent you want. They're basically all the same. And it's going to come out at the bottom, and it is not hot or liquid. It is a powder in a box, which is surprising to me, as it's something I'm not used to. Right now the rate is $1.25, and all the laundry is $3.50. So if you want to wash a load, it's $3.50. To dry a load, it's $3.50. Not total, each. We have found that the washers, 2 loads of wash equals 1 load for the dryer. So that's one way you can save money, is you would do $3.50 for each load of laundry, and then you put them in the dryer for $3.50. So then it ends up being $7 for a wash and $3.50 for the dry. One other thing to note, for these longer sailings, they do have a nice rate for them to do your own laundry, or for them to do your laundry, and that is 25 pieces of laundry for $30, and they wash, dry, and fold it. So if that is something you're interested in, that is always an option for our family, because we have so many little items because of all the little people. It doesn't really make any sense because we're doing a lot of laundry here all the time. If you're going on a cruise soon, take a screenshot of this because you're going to need to know it. This is all the information about the washers and dryers on the ship. And if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.